Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to a new video. Today's video is about my visit to my friend's garden. It is called an allotment garden. In Dutch, it calls Volkstuin. A Volkstuin is a piece of land rented by individuals where people grow their own plants, fruits, and vegetables. In the Netherlands, these gardens are very popular, especially in towns and cities where many people don't have big gardens at home, where they rent this piece of land to grow their own garden. In almost every Dutch city, you will find Volkstuin. They are places to grow food, to relax, and to connect with the nature. The farming here is small scale and personal. It's not about big harvest. It's about joy. Most people grow what they love to eat: vegetables, herbs, and plenty of fruits. Organic methods are common, and there is a strong sense of sharing knowledge and produce with neighbors. Here, people plant seasonal crops, fruits, flowers, and sometimes even keep bees. It's a blend of farming, hobby gardening, and community spirit. Each plot usually belongs to a gardening association. You can rent it for a small yearly or monthly fee, depending on the city and the size of the garden. Some people even share their garden with a friend. Every garden here is unique. I've seen blackberries, blueberries, red currants, wine berries, even grapes hanging from little wooden frames. Some plots have artichokes and flowering herbs, thyme, lavender, chives. Others are full of colorful flowers, inviting bees and butterflies. Inside most Volkstown parks, there is a small shop run by volunteers. You can buy soil, compost seeds, and basic gardening tools. It's a lovely system, simple and sustainable. You plant, you compost, and you give back to the soil what you take from it. Some even sell homemade jams or fresh herbs from their own gardens. growing food, a Volkstuin is about peace. You will find people chatting over tea, painting their garden sheds, or just sitting in silence listening to the wind. For many Dutch families, it's a tradition, a place to teach children where food really comes from. For others, it's simply therapy, a way to touch the earth, breathe, and slow down. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this garden tour. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.